Premium quality professional facial Nacar treatment. Casmara has created an exclusive treatment which solves issues related to hyperpigmentation and photoaging. It clarifies the skin complexion while repairing and protecting the skin. Prepare the client to receive Casmara's Nacar treatment, which, thanks to its whitening active principles, restores the cell damage mainly caused by ultraviolet radiation. Skin preparation. Before starting a Casmara treatment, the use of the multifunction premium quality facial cleansers collection is highly recommended. They are based on natural active principles which balance and protect the integrity of the skin's natural flora. Cleanse or remove makeup from eyes and skin with one of the 3 multifunction Casmara cleansers, depending on skin type. Balance or green tea, both for all skin types, and delicate, specially indicated for the most sensitive skin types. Then rinse with plenty of water. The result is clean and hydrated skin. Phase 1. Exfoliating gel based on hydroxy acids. Phase composed of 3 types of acids: glycolic, lactic, and salicylic. This peeling works on 3 different levels of the skin, enhancing penetration of the lightening active ingredients while stimulating the renewal of the skin surface. Spread avoiding the eye area and leave on from 5 to 10 minutes with the purpose of softening the keratin. Rinse with water. Phase 2. Ultra-concentrated anti-wrinkle lightening serum. Apply the product avoiding the eye area using your hands or a soft and dry brush. Its whitening and lightening anti-age action is due to Tagranaut licorice, a licorice root extract, and mainly due to the dioic acid, ODA white, which clarifies the surface pigmentation spots and avoids melanin overstimulation. Its use can be extended to chest area, arms, and hands. Avoid active massage not to redden the area excessively. It is recommended to perform a pressure massage to favor the absorption of the product. Do not rinse the product with water in any case. Phase 3. Lightening, regenerating, hydrating serum. Apply with smooth sliding strokes, including the eye area, until completely absorbed, avoiding skin stimulation. In this ampule, we find a combination of whitening, illuminating, and hydrating active ingredients. Melanostatin is the first whitening peptide on the market, which, along with other active ingredients, such as vitamin C, act throughout the melanogenesis process. It avoids melanocyte stimulation, the darkening of the melanin, and its subsequent appearance on the surface of the skin. Phase 4. Lightening, hydrating, repairing gel cream. Spread the product with a gentle massage onto face, neck, chest area, and hands until completely absorbed. Keep a small amount of the vial. This phase contains a balanced composition of whitening, illuminating, energizing ingredients, and all the necessary active ingredients to regenerate and soothe the skin. The snail mucus soothes and calms the skin down after the application of the previous phases. The cells are deeply hydrated 24 hours after application. The result is more rejuvenated and energized skin. Phase 5. Nacar Mask 2065. Empty the gel and powder contents in that order into a bowl. Stir both contents together briskly with a spatula for about 30 seconds, forming a smooth paste. Apply the mask upwards over the desired area without delay, as it will start to set 4 minutes after the mixture is blended. Lips and eyes may be covered as well. Leave the mask on from 15 to 20 minutes. Remove the mask downwards and in one piece. Nacar Mask 2065 is a Casmara mask made from marine algae, diatoms, and remineralizing brown rice flour. It is enhanced with melanogenesis, the first clearing peptide on the market. Phase 6. DNA Restorer with Protection Factor, UVA, UVB. To facilitate its application, mix the remaining product previously set aside from Phase 4 into a small container with a small amount of this Phase 6 until obtaining a light and homogeneous cream. Spread with soft sliding movements over face, neck, chest area, and hands until completely absorbed. In case of sensitive eyes, avoid the eye area. Excellent cream which has 2 unique properties on the market: restoring the damage produced in the cellular DNA and protecting the skin from the harmful effects of UVA radiation. It also stimulates the formation of proteins including collagen. Skin achieves a pearl-like glow, younger and more protected. Give the rest of the vial to the client in order to repeat its application during the day. Casmara offers you 3 products of the premium quality facial specifics line to complement this treatment. Clarifying Concentrate, new anti-wrinkle with clarifying active ingredients. Light Complex, ultra concentrate illuminating serum, and DNA Restorer SPF 50. Repairs the cellular DNA damage and protects the skin from solar radiation, SPF 50. Casmara offers you the solution for hyperpigmentation and photoaging problems, while it illuminates, repairs, hydrates, and protects your skin.